If you have this error like this where it says that verify extensions, well, the your project root folder and then run this command flutter pub upgrade major versions. And then we'll run this command. It says cd to iOS and pod deintegrate. After that, we'll run this command over here in your root folder. Okay, well, it's been removed, and after that we'll step back one folder back. So this is our root folder, and we'll run this command to get all the packages. And after that, we need to run this command for installing pod and updating the repos. So after that, let's go ahead and run our app. Well, this is the old app. So now after upgrading, let's see how it goes.